So, you're ready to dive into the world of dropshipping and conquer the e-commerce game? Well, buckle up because I've got some must-dos for you when it comes to optimizing your Shopify product pages for SEO. First things first, let's break down the dropshipping business model. It's a simple concept where you, as the retailer, don't keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who handles the inventory and shipping. This means you can focus on marketing and sales without the hassle of managing physical products. Now, how do you start dropshipping? Well, it all begins with choosing a niche that you're passionate about and that has a demand in the market. Next, set up your Shopify store, select reliable suppliers, and optimize your product pages for SEO to drive organic traffic. Speaking of SEO, finding winning products is crucial. Conduct thorough keyword research to understand what your target audience is searching for. Use these keywords strategically in your product titles, descriptions, and meta tags to improve your search engine rankings. And here's a pro tip for success in dropshipping and online entrepreneurship. Focus on building a strong brand and providing exceptional customer service. Engage with your audience through social media, email marketing, and influencer partnerships to create a loyal customer base. In conclusion, mastering dropshipping SEO for your Shopify product pages is key to standing out in the competitive e-commerce landscape. By understanding the dropshipping business model, starting off on the right foot, finding winning products, and implementing effective strategies, you'll be on your way to building a successful online business. So, what are you waiting for? Get out there, optimize those product pages, and watch your dropshipping empire grow.